Great day for
Definitely
them.
a miracle.
All right, so we dealt with some rain. Depending on where you live
Yeah.
today, tomorrow, some more rain as well.
Yeah, a little bit of everything, and then maybe the sun finally comes out.
Well, we're still circling Friday. That is the day. We always love Friday. We're really going to like this one after this week. Let's show you live Doppler 13 radar. Metro area, you know, it was kind of an interesting deal at 5 o'clock. The south side got hit with over an inch of rain. North siders haven't had much. Even downtown, not a whole lot as well. We're going to expand the map for you and get you down south of 70 once again. Martinsville into Greenwood, Shelbyville. That's just rain. You get a little bit farther to the south, and these are some heavy storms that had prompted warnings earlier. Bedford over towards Seymour and over toward North Vernon. Get some rumbles of thunder there. Heading to Westport, Greensburg, and then we'll show you the flash flood warning that continues for Sullivan and Vigo, unfortunately. You got hit hard, some 5+ inches of rain over there. And as we work out still more storms back to the west, I show you this because this complex is going to kind of work its way through the overnight. Once again, a reminder of this accident here at the split. Downtown right now, 71, south wind at 5, dew point near 70, so it is still very humid. And another day of rain here in the month of May. For the month so far, 17 of the 29 days we've had at least a trace or more of precipitation. Now at the National Weather Service office, actually below normal for precipitation, but just several days. We're going to tack on another tomorrow. So areas of rain and thunderstorms, some of that's going to be heavy even into the morning commute at times. And then as we get into the afternoon, it won't be as widespread. There's still going to be scattered stuff on radar, but we may get into some peaks of sun to finish off Thursday here. This is at 7 a.m. Some of the bus stops are going to be a little damp. Notice the coverage kind of eases. We get some sun, and then right before sunset, you're going to get a little increase of action there. That weakens, and here you go. Look at the clock, 7 a.m. Friday, and then we'll finish it off with sunshine and almost 80 degrees, comfortable humidity. This should be the best day of the week. Getting into the weekend now, another disturbance comes down the pike, and it will squeeze out some scattered downpours and thunderstorms. Scattered right now. We'll fine-tune the coverage and timing on Saturday, and I'll have your planner if you do head down to the Vintage Indiana Wine Festival, Military Park on Saturday. Sunday looking like a great day. We may actually get 3 days in a row, shocker there, with no rain. Let's fingers crossed for that. We need it.
We're excited about that, Sean. Thank you.
Well,